599 pesos per pax? Ito na ata ang pinaka-affordable at sulit na Airbnb or staycation dito sa Mall of Asia. Kung kayo naman ay more than 2 pax, ay pwede nyo nang ma-avail itong ating promo na 599 pesos per pax. Alam nyo ba na this property is located here at Shell Residences, just right across Mall of Asia. Napaka-convenient at napaka-accessible dahil tatawid ka lang 3 to 5 minutes, lalakarin mo lang at nasa Mall of Asia ka na. Kung kayo ay naghahanap ng budget-friendly, malinis, at comfortable na staycation na may ganito kagandang tulugan at malaking pool na amenity, ang bubungad sa inyo sa balcony, plus may free coffee and tea at pwede pa kayong magluto dahil complete kitchen essentials na ito. And wala na rin kayong poproblemahin dahil kasama na rin ang towels at essential kit. All is for free. And the best part pa, we are surrounded by your favorite spots. 24-hour convenience store, Star City, World Trade Center, airport, casino, Soler, Okada, at meron pang DFA, coffee shops and restaurant. May SMX, IKEA, and MOA Arena pa. Experience comfort, convenience, and sulit na bakasyon. All in one place. Ayan, makikita nyo, lobby pa lang, parang 5-star hotel na. So this is it. Welcome to Zaydan Staycation. 599 pesos inclusions with Wi-Fi. You can enjoy Netflix with pillows and linens, aircon, smart TV, refrigerator, dining table, rice cooker, electric kettle, kitchenwares, kitchen utensils, bath towels. We have shower heater, shower with heater, microwave oven, and washing machine. Wala ka nang poproblemahin pa dahil itong property ay secured 24/7. We just want to make you feel secured, comfortable, and feel at home. Enjoy your stay, book, and secure your slots now. Thank you!